In this video lesson, I will show you what is the pip value calculator for the euro against Canadian dollar, where you can calculate the number of pips in any deposit currency. In my case, it is US dollar because I have a trading account with a US dollar. If you have any other currency for deposit on your trading account, you can simply change that inside this pip value calculator, and I'll show you that in a few seconds. Then you have also below this video, inside the description, a link to this article where you will have this pip value calculator, and also you will have information how to make the calculations manually for any currency you would like. For example, for the base currency, for the quote currency, or for example any other currency that you have as a deposit currency. In my case, I have put a US dollar as an example, and you will see also below that an example how to calculate the profit when you have, for example, 20 pips a difference. Let's return to the pip value calculator, and let's return here to the trading platform where I will show you how to make an example. First of all, let's check all the fields inside the pip value calculator so you can understand what you need to put inside here. Inside this field, you need to enter the number of pips. In my case, I have put 1 because it is 1 pip, and when you click calculate, you get the pip value for 1 pip. Then you have here instrument. In my case, I am making calculation for the euro against Canadian dollar, but if you would like to make calculation for any other currency, you can simply change this one here. Then you have here a field for the units, which you can also change to the lots. So if you would like to have calculation for one lot, you can make this, put here as a lot, which is a trade size, and put 1, or you can switch to the units, which is also 100,000 units equal to 1 lot. It is the same. Then you have here a deposit currency, and that means which currency you have on a trading platform on your trading account. In my case, I have US dollar, so I will leave US dollar here also as deposit currency. But have in mind that you have an option to change this to any other currency you would like to have. Then here you have euro against Canadian dollar 1 pip size, and that means what is a 1 pip in the currency pair for the price. In my case, it is set to 4 decimal point, and that is the reason is because if you go to the trading platform, you can see that the price is with 5 decimal points, where the 5th decimal point is the number of pipettes. So I'm not counting this one. The first pip is on the 4 decimal point. So this 4 decimal point is okay with me, it is the same. Then you have here a USD Canadian dollar price, which is additional price that you need to have in order to calculate a US dollar as a deposit currency. If you put here Canadian dollar, which is already inside the instrument on the quote currency, you do not need any third currency symbol additionally to make the calculation. So additional currency is only needed when you need to make the calculation for the deposit currency, which is not inside this instrument. In my case, it is US dollar, which is not inside euro Canadian dollar instrument, so I need additional currency symbol here. Why? You can simply go here inside the article and you will see pip value for the third currency, how to calculate pip value for any currency that is not inside this symbol euro Canadian dollar. In my case, it is US. So when you click calculate, you get a pip value. If you change the number of pips here to any other number, you will get the value. So for the 3 pips, the total profit or loss would be 22.16. I will put this one here to make the calculation and go to the trading platform where I will open a new order with volume equal to 1, which is 1 lot, and click sell. I have opened a sell order with the details here, and you can see in the column where the profit is, you immediately see how many pips I have in profit or loss. In this case, I have in minus 1.8 pips. So this means $13.30. When I put here 1.9, which is currently visible, I get 14.04. It is the same value I got here. So you can see, before opening an order, you can use this pip value calculator to calculate how much you would lose or make money with one trade that you open. And that means, for example, if I put here a stop loss and take profit which is equal to 10 pips, before opening an order, you can get these values with this pip value calculator. So for example, if I would like to open a new order with a take profit which will be at this price, and that means with 8.3 pips far away from the current market price, I would get $61.33. So this means if I put 8.3 here inside the pip value calculator, click calculate, I can get that value before opening an order. You can see that 60.33 is 61.33 is 60.32. Small rounding number difference, but it's the same value you got here. So before opening an order, you can calculate how much pips you would like to make or lose on this trade and put them here inside the pip value calculator, and you would get information in your deposit currency how much money you would make or lose. That means you can make a calculation for your risk management before opening an order, which is very crucial in trading. This is all for this video, how to use this pip value calculator for the Euro Canadian dollar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!